Hello my people, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to bake a marble cake, and it's a very budget friendly cake. I only used 250 Kenyan shilling. You can try it, very easy. Watch the video till the end, and please, for my new viewers, subscribe. Do not forget to subscribe. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much guys for your support. Hit that like button, share, and thank you so much for always coming back. So watch the video till the end. The ingredients are in this video and price for each item I used, and I never used an oven. I just used a gas. So guys, you can try it. It's a very easy and simple recipe. Please do not forget to like. Thank you so much for watching. See you to my next video. Bye.